Good morning everyone, welcome back to Madness Manor. It's the 7th of January 2023 and I've had to go out and, I'm just watching a bird up there, I've had to go out and buy myself a new compressor because my old faithful Clark Warrior, 22 years old, packed in a few days ago. So I've been out to Machine Mart in Mansfield to buy myself a Tiger Turbo 11/260, 24 litre tank, 9.3 CFM air movement, for the grand total of £131.98, which is actually cheaper than it was 10 years ago. 10 years ago it was £143.98. In the Machine Mart brochure today it is £155.98, but currently it's on offer, so that's good news for me. Comes with instructions and warranty, receipts on the warranty, warranty even on the receipt, certificate of compliance. I got it from Machine Mart in Mansfield. I would like to give a big shout out to those guys at Machine Mart. They've been there since about 1981. The company's been there, I think it was one of the first stores the company opened. Nottingham company, I believe, Nottingham lad. Opened in 1981 as a purveyor of tools for the motor industry, engineering, and still going strong. This was great time reading at work. Tools, engineering tools and everything else, the Machine Mart catalogue, along with the ad mag back in the day. And now the men play games at lunch. So that's today's show and tell. Thank you for watching, thank you for taking the time. Like I say, a big shout out to Machine Mart. Sam, who works for you guys at Machine Mart, top lad, young lad. I'm sure he's got a good future with you, and as the manager, I'm gonna chat with him. Thanks for watching guys, catch you on the next one.